The Suzuki Cappuccino, a K-car gem. Ever heard of a K-car? It's a unique class of small, fuel-efficient vehicles in Japan. And the Suzuki Cappuccino is one of the most iconic examples. The Cappuccino was designed to fit within the strict dimensions of Japanese K-cars, but it doesn't feel like a compromise. Its sleek lines and sporty stance make it a head-turner. Inside, the Cappuccino offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for a car of its size. The minimalist design keeps things simple and focused on the driving experience. But it's under the hood where the Cappuccino truly shines. Its lightweight design and rear-wheel drive layout make it a joy to drive. The small engine may not be powerful, but it's perfectly suited to the car's character. The Cappuccino's popularity helped to cement Suzuki's reputation as a manufacturer of fun and innovative vehicles. It's a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of Japanese carmakers. Whether you're a K-car enthusiast or simply appreciate a well-designed and fun-to-drive car, the Suzuki Cappuccino is a must-see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more car content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive adventures.